and all,
Yes,
it's
sir.
all because of the Naga political issue, which has been lingering for very long now. And as it is, Congress has been in government for a good number of years and terms. But during Congress time also, we have not seen that Congress had managed to solve it. So now you are saying that it is because of the issue that the multiple taxations is here. So what is your view on that? Congress has also failed to
No,
solve the
so
issue.
look, first of all, we need to recognize what Congress did and what Congress couldn't do. Congress, Mr. Nehru, Pandit Nehru was the man who ensured the formation of Nagaland. First, the recognition that the Nagas have to have a state of their own is what the Congress gave. So let's be very clear of what we did first. We gave a state, and correctly so. Indira Gandhi supported the demands of the people of Nagaland, and a majority of those was implemented. If you remember, whether it is religious freedom, whether it is recognition of the cultural practices, whether it is the diversity and the social traditions of the people of Nagaland was protected and enshrined. So those are the good parts. The political solution always takes time. We never claim that we found a solution. The government of India has announced in 2015 that they have solved the Naga problem. Our demand is implement those things which are implementable for the people of Nagaland. What was in that agreement which impacts the state of Nagaland? And please remember this. This is very important to understand that the agreement had matters which were concerning the state of Nagaland, and it had matters concerning beyond the state of Nagaland. All right. The present government says that those issues are not resolved beyond the state of Nagaland. Our thing is, why do the people of Nagaland have to suffer? Implement those issues which are part of Nagaland. The government of India in that agreement of 2015 has said that the Nagaland issue is being solved. In that there were 15, 16 points. There were 2 points they objected to, if you remember. Separate constitution, flag and integration of autonomous units. Government of India said no, those are non-negotiable. Then what was negotiated? Why are you not implementing? And why is the present government wanting not to implement? Because they don't want this resolution. They want the people of Nagaland to continue to pay taxes. The Chief Minister, Mr. Rio, and his government, why are they not implementing the agreement which impacts the people of Nagaland? Because they don't want a solution. Whether it was the head of the village GB, the head of the village headman, whether it is the civil society, whether it's the various religious leaders across the different churches. Everybody was a part of this discussion. So my question to you, sir, is that the present government doesn't want to ensure that the people of Nagaland stop paying multiple taxes. Because in that agreement, if you implement, then the people of Nagaland will be safe. Now, one government, one law, one tax. Rest of the issues, you have to deal with it. That is not our problem. My first loyalty is to people of the Nagaland. No? Now, constitution, border, reorganization, that they know they will never solve. Because they know they will never solve, they want to erase those issues and never solve the people's problem. So why will people of Nagaland suffer? Are you able to get it, sir? So in that agreement, there were issues which were directly impacting Nagaland. Implement that. But the Chief Minister doesn't want to do it because he doesn't want to support. They are also corrupt and they are so misgoverned, they're least interested in the people. So they are saying talks will carry on. Governor says talks are over. We are saying whatever is agreed, Mr. Modi, you and your government implement it because that's in the interest of the people of Nagaland. And relieve them of this multiple taxation. Nagaland deserves better. Nagaland demands better. People of Nagaland deserve better. People of Nagaland deserve better. Demand better. Okay? Is that all right, sir? Thank you so much.